Welcome to Art Lesson 6, the final polish. We're bringing your character to life with color and shadow in this video. Our mission is to take your line art to the next level. We'll complete your characters by choosing a color palette and applying depth through shadows. Before we color, remember the power of shapes. Circles suggest friendliness, squares suggest strength, and triangles suggest speed or danger. Keep these in mind as you choose your colors. The art of a limited palette involves 2 steps. First, pick 3 to 5 base colors for a clean, professional design. Second, ensure consistency by using these colors across the whole character. What is cell shading? It's the Toriyama style, famous for using flat blocks of color with a sharp, hard-edged, darker version of that color for shadows. It's clean, bold, and looks like it's straight out of a comic book. To add the shadow color, first imagine where the light source is. Then, add sharp shadows under the hair and neck to create instant depth, achieving the classic cell-shaded look. Now it's time for the final polish activity. Fill in your 3 to 5 flat colors. Once finished, pick one darker shade for each color to add your cell shadows under the neck, hair, and clothing folds. In summary, we learned about palette choice, the cell-shaded method using hard-edged shadows, and how to identify the successful use of shapes and shading. Great job finishing your characters.